Typewriter.
Shit. Wow.
Pretty easy. Heads up. That thing sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Bolts. Bolts. Good weight.
It's fun to be destructive. Ow! What was this?
Voltometer.
And that's a typewriter. Look at the ribbon.
That thing's not break.
That's not gonna break, dude. This is more fun.
It's not breaking.
Is that it?
Shit, the ribbon.
Daddy McShat.
Are you gonna get ink on your fingers?
No, it's like 50, 60 years old.
Oh, shut up.
Wow, what are you doing, Nagger?
Leave it on, it's funny.
Okay, so it gets caught in my wheel well.
Ribbon, dude.
Catches on fire.
Leave it on. As long as chip. You still leave it here?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Actually, I shouldn't.
What?
Just leave all the little pieces here. And the ribbon.
Hold on.
Uh-oh. Where is this going?
Cops are gonna come.